If you're not using this AI SEO system, your Faceless channel won't get monetized, period. In this video, I'll show you the exact strategy I'm using to grow and monetize a brand new channel in just 30 days. Most Faceless AI channels are dead before they ever go live, not because their ideas suck, not because their visuals are bad, and definitely not because their AI voice sounds like a rejected robot from a 90s video game. They fail for one brutal reason: their SEO is completely broken. The YouTube algorithm doesn't even know they exist. If you're serious about making money with Faceless channels, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub right now. This is where I break down proven systems to get monetized fast using nothing but AI tools and strategies. Don't just watch, build alongside me. So I'm putting my entire AI SEO system to the ultimate public test. I'm building a brand new Faceless YouTube channel from scratch, and I'm going to try and get it fully monetized in the next 30 days. There's no safety net and no existing audience to give it a boost, and I'm going to document every single step of the system I'm using to do it, starting right now. This is the 30-day roadmap. So if you've ever wanted to build a real online business with a Faceless channel, consider this your official invitation. Let's be real. The make money online world is full of people selling you a dream. They'll flash screenshots of their earnings, but they never actually pop the hood and show you the engine that gets the results. That engine, the only part that really matters, is SEO. With a Faceless channel, you don't have a charismatic personality or a personal brand to reel in viewers. You have to win the game of discoverability, and that means you have to get incredibly good at telling the YouTube algorithm exactly who your videos are for. This is the exact point where most people get frustrated and quit. They upload a few videos, get maybe a dozen views, and decide it's all just luck. I'm here to prove it's not luck. It's a strategy. So here's the case study. I've launched a brand new, completely Faceless channel called AI Hustle Hub *. The niche is making money with AI, a topic that's not only booming, but also tends to attract very healthy CPMs, meaning advertisers pay more to run ads on these kinds of videos. We're talking about AI side hustles, automating workflows, and building passive income with new tools. The whole point of AI Hustle Hub is to be a live experiment, where the content is literally the journey of me trying to monetize the channel. This builds trust and creates a real reason for people to follow along. But before I even think about a single script or an AI voiceover, the foundation needs to be laid. And that foundation is a bulletproof keyword strategy. Chat, this is it. This is the bedrock. If you mess this part up, nothing else you do will matter. Your perfectly edited video will just sit there with 12 views, and 8 of them will be you checking the analytics. Airtight keyword research is the most important thing for a new Faceless channel, period. My system for this has 4 layers. First, the most obvious tool that everyone forgets: the YouTube search bar. Just start typing phrases like "make money with AI" or "AI side hustle," and look at what YouTube auto suggests. Those aren't random guesses. They're what real people are searching for right now. That's your first list of potential video ideas. Second, I play spy. I use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to analyze the top-ranking videos in my niche. I'm not looking to copy them. I'm looking to understand them. What keywords are in their titles, in the first couple of lines of their descriptions? What tags are they using? This isn't cheating. It's reverse engineering success. The data is all out there. Third, I use AI to get a leg up. I use AI keyword tools to hunt for high-volume, low-competition keywords. These are the gold mines. Phrases like "best AI side hustles for beginners 2025" or "how to monetize YouTube with AI fast" might get fewer searches than the huge terms, but the competition is so much lower, which gives a new channel an actual chance to show up in search results. We're looking for the gaps in the market. Finally, where you put the keywords. Once I have my main keyword, I put it right at the beginning of the video title. I make sure it shows up naturally in the first sentence or two of the description. And I always upload accurate captions for every video because YouTube reads those captions and uses them as another powerful clue about what your video is about. A smart keyword gets your video seen by the algorithm, but a killer title gets it clicked by a person. You can be the #1 result, but if your title is boring, nobody cares. For Faceless channels, your title has to do all the heavy lifting a human face on a thumbnail usually does. It has to spark curiosity and feel urgent. I use a handful of proven high click-through rate formulas. First is specificity. How I made money with AI is boring. How I made $2,500 in 30 days. Using this AI tool, step by step, is powerful. It gives a real number and a clear time frame. Second is urgency. Monetize your AI channel fast. The 30-day challenge. The word fast combined with a challenge makes people want to click now. Third is authority. Copy my AI side hustle blueprint. See my results. This makes your video feel like a proven system that people can trust. And fourth is curiosity. This AI tool literally prints money. I tested it for 30 days. The question mark is a hook. People will click just to find out the answer. Every single title on the *AI Hustle Hub * channel will follow one of these formulas, with the main keyword placed right at the front. So instead of How I Made $1,000 in 2 weeks with an AI Side Hustle, the title becomes AI Side Hustle, How I Made $1,000 in 2 weeks with an AI Side Hustle. 2 weeks. It's a tiny tweak that makes a world of difference to the algorithm. Your video description is some of the most valuable real estate you have for SEO. Most people just write a sentence or two and call it a day, but every single part of it should be working for you. The first 2 sentences are critical. They need to have your main keyword and tell the viewer exactly what they're going to get. For example, learn how you can make money with AI in 2025. In this video, I'm showing you the exact strategy I'm using to monetize my faceless YouTube channel, AI Hustle Hub, with some powerful AI automation tools. Right below that, I'll put a call to action, like asking them to subscribe and any affiliate links for tools I talk about. And way at the bottom, just 2 or 3 super relevant hashtags, not 20. Just a few focused ones like #AI Side Hustle or #Make Money with AI to give the algorithm one last signal. It's a simple template, but it makes sure every description is pulling its weight to get the video ranked. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, YouTube's rules on AI content. As of mid-2025, YouTube has made its position pretty clear. They are cracking down hard on what they call mass-produced, repetitious, or inauthentic content. This means you can't just go to some generic AI tool, type in a prompt, and upload whatever it spits out. That's a speedrun to getting your channel demonetized. But here's the good news. Using AI tools to help you tell a better story is totally fine. In fact, it's encouraged. The key is that a human has to be in the driver's seat, adding original ideas, unique commentary, and actual creative value. I use ChatGPT and vidIQ to generate scripts, and I edit them to give it my own voice. The strategy is mine, and it keeps safely within YouTube's guidelines. The goal is full YouTube monetization in 30 days. That means 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But my real plan goes way beyond just AdSense. Relying only on ad revenue is a rookie mistake. The real money on YouTube is made through different income streams. My #1 monetization method, even before the channel is eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, will be affiliate marketing. Every single time I mention an AI tool I'm using on this journey, I'll drop an affiliate link in the description. This means the channel can make money from day one. The second stream will be digital products. Once the channel has an audience that trusts the process, I can sell things like templates, checklists, or a small guide based on the exact system I'm using. This provides huge value to the audience and has almost 100% profit margins. And finally, once the channel gets some real traction, sponsorships, come into play. Companies that make AI tools are always looking for channels with an engaged audience to show their products to. AdSense is just the foundation. The real business is built on top of these other pillars. So that's the system. That is the entire AI SEO framework I'm using to build the AI Hustle Hub channel from zero. I'm not holding anything back. This is a totally public experiment, and it could be a huge success or a spectacular public failure. Either way, you get a front row seat to the whole process, the wins, the losses, and all the real data along the way. If you want to see if the system actually works and follow the AI Hustle Hub journey from zero to monetized, the best way to do that is to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. You are not going to want to miss the updates. The mission is crystal clear: to prove that with the right SEO strategy, anyone can build a monetized, faceless YouTube channel in a predictable and systematic way. This isn't about trying to game the system. It's about understanding how to work with it. It's about using AI as a powerful tool, not as a crutch that does all the work for you. Over the next 30 days, I'll be putting this exact plan into action. The AI Hustle Hub channel is going live, and I'll be creating content based on everything I just laid out. In my very next video on this channel, I'll be sharing the results from week 1, the subscriber count, the watch time, the analytics, and everything I learned. The challenge starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the first update.